I want to show something interesting. So this is Tag Assistant, and this is my demo website. I will send this form. So I have some personal user data here, and send. This is an event sent by PixelYourSite using Google Tag Manager. So Google Tag Manager is implemented using our integration with Google Tag Manager. There is this event configure inside the container. And as you can see, it has user data, email, phone number, some address fields. Why is there? I will show you in a bit. This tag was installed with our Google Tag Manager integration, but we also have this Google Analytics tag, which was installed with our native tags. It's a separate thing. I will show you again right away. And here we have this piece of code sending the same information. This is how you send such information for that type of integration that we have, our native tags. So both our native tags and Google Tag Manager have access to the forms data. That's because PixelYourSite has interesting and very useful support where you can track such user data and send it with Google Analytics, Google Ads tags, Google Tag Manager, but also with conversion API events for Meta. Some of the data is sent with our API events for TikTok and Pinterest. So such data can be tracked and can be sent with our tracking integrations. When are we able to detect this kind of data? We can do it when the user is a WordPress user and is logged in into their WordPress account. We can do it for WooCommerce orders. We can do it for easy digital downloads on orders. And with some help from you, we can do it for forms when the data is configured in the form. It doesn't even have to be submitted. We take it live. And also from some URL parameters. But as I said, this needs some help from you. Before I go into details, I said before that we have our native integration, Google Analytics, Google Ads, and Google Tag Manager. This is the Google Tag Manager section. It's a new addition, so if you didn't know about it, it's here. Various videos on this channel explaining how you can use it. Okay, on our global settings page, we have two important sections from where you can configure for this one. Fields for a form, so we know where to look for first name, last name, telephone number, and email address. Email address, we try to detect it by default, but if the form doesn't use the correct email field format, we need the name of the field. And I recommend to watch the video linked here because it shows you exactly how to get the field name from a form and add it here. Once we have the form field name, we can take the data as I show you in the video. And we can also take it from URL parameters. And I recommend watching this video and see how to get the data from URL parameters. So again, PixelYourSite can detect user data from accounts if the user is logged in, WooCommerce orders, easy digital download orders, forms with a bit of help and setup shown in the video, watch the video, and URL parameters, again, watch the video to know how to configure this part. Why is this data important? Well, it can help various platforms understand who is triggering events, so conversion works better, conversion tracking works better, everything gets improved. As a recap, such data is sent with our Google Analytics and Google Ads native integrations. It's sent with our Google Tag Manager data layer. So if you use Google Tag Manager through us, you have access to such data. And it's sent with our API integrations for Meta, some of it for TikTok and Pinterest as well. That's it. I just wanted to show you that it's possible and it's doable to track data from your users. I'm Christian Stoichescu from PixelYourSite. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.